So today I want to show you how to create some vector art brushes in Illustrator using some cool materials. I'm going to be using some chalk and charcoal, but you can use anything really. You can even use dirt, pastels, oil, wax, whatever you want. You can turn anything into brushes. So I went on Pinterest, trying to look for some inspiration. You can see there's all types of different brushes here, markers, pens, dust, chalk. They even got pattern brushes as well. You can see people doing pattern brushes. There's some half tones. There's sponge brushes. There's paint, spray paint even. Just look around, find some cool stuff that you like. This one's really cool. This one mostly looks like charcoal stuff or different materials. See, you've got different materials, even things. That's for Photoshop, but it's cool to see, how it comes out. Even here, you can use crayons, Sharpie markers, just anything really. So find some inspiration, figure out what brushes you want to make. But I'm going to be using mainly charcoal and chalk and just felt tip pens. But I just want to show you some other inspiration as well. There's two artists I really love and they're really awesome. I admire them. They do awesome work in vector work. You can see this is Von Glitcher. He uses a lot of vector brushes in his work and you see the crazy detail in it. It's awesome. And you can really get some nice effects if you know how to use the brush as well. So it's cool to make brushes and have them in your arsenal, in your toolbox when you need them for certain projects. Adam Grayson is another one. His work is so good. He does work for Disney and stuff, which is pretty sweet. And I love how he's got all this texture and he uses a lot of brushes as well. A lot of like gritty brushes, but he just throws them on and it looks awesome. And it really makes his work stand out. So, it's good to just look at some inspiration to see how other people are using vector brushes. And you can see it really makes a difference to the work. You can see all the details and it really makes it look awesome. If you want to find some shops that really sell it, you can get some on Amazon. In Australia, there's a shop called Eckersley's. They do arts and crafts. You can get all like materials here. You can get inks. You can get paint. You can get heaps of stuff, brushes, oil, pastels, markers, everything, charcoal as well. You can just play around. You can buy some stuff if you want to experiment, or even go outside and grab some dirt or sand in your garden and you can make brushes out of that. So get some inspiration, look at other people's work to see how they use the brushes and what kind of brushes you would like to help you illustrate some cool work. And yeah, and from this we're going to get started.